How to edit PDF file in laptop. You can edit a PDF file on a laptop in several ways using free tools. So here is how to do it easily. First of all, as you can see, I have my PDF file already on my desktop, and simply open a web browser, then search for the PDF editor and hit enter. Now from here, simply tap on one of them which you think is legitimate. Here I'm tapping on the Canva one. I also suggest you to tap on the Canva PDF editor because it is very quick and easy. Now once you tap on it, make sure that you have the Canva account logged in. Then simply look for the file you want to edit. Tap on the file, and once you do so, Canva will take few minutes to open it. And once it opens the file, you can edit it easily. So as you can see, I can remove it and enter text here as well. I can also remove the name. I can do whatever I want with this PDF. Then tap on the share icon available at the top right corner of your screen and download it to your device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.